If you want a Hot Wheels car in real life that's been beautifully hand-formed, the Pantheon by Rick Dore is the car for you. Rick Dore, the legendary car builder, has built this absolutely phenomenal 1938 Delahaye-inspired Roadster called the Pantheon. It is absolutely stunning with these hand-formed fenders, aluminum body. The construction is absolutely insane in person. Photos make it look great, in person is a whole different thing. This one is on a Art Morrison chassis, so it's usable. It's got a GM 5.3 liter engine, so it's drivable. But that's not the feature. It's looking at the paint, looking at the lines, looking at Rick Dore's inspiration and ideas of what he thinks is one of the best looking cars in the world. And I think this one absolutely checks those boxes. This car was unveiled last year at the SEMA Show, and it won awards at the Las Vegas Concours and at the Grand National Roadster Show. So this car in its short life so far already has a great list of accolades. But the best part about this is coming up to Auburn, seeing cars like this, seeing creations like what Rick Dore has done, as this is his very last build he is ever going to do.